Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the inner workings of virtual credit cards, a highly secure digital payment technology that protects your hard-earned money from online fraudsters, data breaches, and predatory subscription traps. Think of a virtual card as a digital mask for your real bank account. Instead of typing your physical 16-digit credit card number onto a sketchy website or an unfamiliar online store, your banking app instantaneously generates a completely unique, randomized set of card numbers, an independent expiration date, and a random 3-digit CVV security code. When you make an online purchase, the vendor processes this temporary card exactly like a traditional payment. But behind the scenes, your financial institution instantly routes that transaction safely back to your actual master funding account, meaning your real financial credentials are never exposed to the public internet. The true brilliance of this financial technology lies in its granular, customizable security features. Most major modern banking platforms or specialized fintech providers give you two powerful types of virtual cards to choose from based on your shopping needs. First, you have merchant-locked cards, which lock themselves permanently to the very first website where you use them. If a hacker breaches that specific merchant's database months later and steals your card info, the card becomes completely useless anywhere else on the web. Second, you have single-use or burner cards, which automatically self-destruct and delete themselves from existence the exact second your transaction clears, completely eliminating the risk of rogue recurring bills or unwanted monthly charges. Furthermore, you can use your banking portal to set strict individual spending limits on each virtual card, pause them instantly with a single tap, or close them out entirely without affecting your physical wallet. By incorporating virtual cards into your regular digital shopping habits, you regain absolute, total control over your online security, ensuring that even if a corporate website suffers a massive cybersecurity data breach, your primary banking details remain entirely locked down, private, and safe. Subscribe the channel for more videos.